Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Python latest version, that is Python 3.13 on Windows servers. Open any web browser, go to Python official website, that is python.org. Click on download. See here we have download Python 3.13. It is the latest version. Okay, click on it. See, download has been started and its size is 26.9 megabytes. Click on open file. See here we have the options like install now and customize installation and the checkboxes. These are optional like use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and also check this checkbox, that is add python.exe to the path, and click on customize installation. See, it is going to install these features. These are optional features. So if you want to install documentation, it is up to you. You can select or unselect. Okay, then click on next, and this is the installation directory. If you want to change, you can change. And if you want to add Python to environment variables, you have to keep the checkbox. And also if you want to download any of these three, you can select them. Or if you don't want, then keep all as it is. And also see the checkbox, install Python 3.13 for all users. So select it and click on install. See, installation has been started. See, setup was successful. Click on close. Now go to start. See here, we have the folder Python 3.13. Click on drop down. See here we have Python shell and Python idle. Okay, open both Python shell. See, we have installed Python 3.13. Now we can perform the Python commands like print or sum of two numbers, like give 100 plus 189, or you can define the variables a equals to 100, b equals to 200, c equals to a plus b, c. We got the output. Okay, these are the commands from the Python shell. You can also open Python idle. Go to Python folder, click on drop down, open Python idle. See, we have installed Python idle 3.13. That is idle shell. We can run the same commands here, but we can also run the Python from CMD. CMD, type Python. See, we got the same console. See, Python 3.13. We can give the same commands like print also sum of, see, sum. Okay, and if you want to come out from this one, just give Ctrl G and hit enter. See, we are out of that. Even here also, if you want to close, just give Ctrl G, hit enter. See, we have executed. Here also the same, but I am going to create a Python script and execute. Okay, so notepad r2schools.py, click on S, give the Python scripts. No need to put semicolons. It is 100 minus, not the hyphen underscore. A equals to 100, b equals to 200, c equals to a plus b, print c, save the file. Now give the Python, give the Python's file name, hit enter. See, we have given only this print statement, this, but these three are the variables, so it printed three values. You can also execute Python script. Go to idle, then open, then select that file. See, it is there in C drive, users, administrator. See, we have R2 schools, select it, open. Now click on run module. See, we got the output. Okay. After installation, go to downloads directory and remove this downloaded file to clear the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Python on Windows servers. Then we have seen how to run the Python commands and execute the Python script. For more Python tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.